Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay TikTok Shop. At ang sender natin ay si Toki Direct Store.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
Bali guys, itong ganitong mga plastic, mga packaging is direct from China to guys. Tatandaan nyo, mga ganito is from China.
Hindi, wow.
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi. Ang order ko rito guys is yung Type-C na memory card reader. So ito guys, the seller is legit. So ito yun guys. Thank you for watching.